Hi friends, let me tell you about the side effects of anti-epileptic drugs. The mnemonic is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. A for ataxia, that is the loss of the body movements, control on the body movements. B for blood dyscrasia, blood disorders. C for cleft lip. D for dipyridins and vitamin D deficiency. E for exfoliation of skin and Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Stevens-Johnson syndrome is a serious skin condition in which the symptom starts with flu, and then the purplish rash appears and spreads and blisters. F for fits. G for GI upset and gum hypertrophy. H for hepatitis. Guys, if you like my video, please like and comment and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.